Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Google reviews to your Wix website. So let's get started. The first thing is you're going to find yourself at the Wix homepage. You want to navigate to the left and click on apps, or alternatively, you can click the first link down in the description to take you directly to the app that we are looking for. In this case, we're looking for Fera, F-E-R-A. Once you click this, you're going to install this Fera. Once again, click the first link down in the description and then you click add to site right here. Here, you're going to click agree and add. Fill out your information and click continue. Now, once you've installed the app, you want to click on apps and manage apps, find the app you're looking for and click on it. When you see this welcome message right here, you can untick these for now. And we're going to skip the quick setup for now. So once you find yourself at this page right here, what you want to do is you want to click add and import reviews. On this page, you want to navigate to the top right corner and click add reviews. Here, you're going to have three options. You can either import or sync reviews. You can write them manually, or you can ask your existing customers for their reviews. In this case, we need to click import or sync. Here, you're going to have many different options, but the one we're looking for is Google Business. So click on Google Business. And here, it's going to ask you to connect your Google Business account. And then once you've added this, you simply click Sync Now, and Fera is going to import your Google reviews to your Wix website. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Thank you so much for watching this video.